Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Scran Line. I'm Nick and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this really fresh chocolate coconut lime pie. This thing is really delicious and it's super easy to make. You can make this in one day and then serve it to your guests in your house because we can't go anywhere the next day or even later that day. It's really easy to make and I'm going to show you just how easy. But before we get stuck into the recipe, make sure you guys are subscribed and make sure you hit the like button because YouTube doesn't send this video out to anyone and let them know about it unless you hit the like button. So it's free to hit the like button and then that way all of my efforts are not for nothing, except that I do appreciate you watching right now. Now the first thing we're going to start with this pie is the base. The base is made of coconut, chocolate and butter and it's really easy. So we're going to begin by adding our chocolate, so dark chocolate and some butter into a microwave safe bowl. We are going to microwave this for about 20 to 30 seconds each time, stirring each time until it's nice and smooth. The reason why we do it in intervals is because we don't want to overheat the mixture and then risk burning the chocolate. Burnt chocolate is not good for anyone's taste buds and it makes your house really smell really bad. So make sure you don't burn the chocolate and you won't burn it if you do it like 20 to 30 second intervals. Once you've got it nice and melted and smooth and it's all really well combined, we are going to pour it into a large mixing bowl, which we have our sweetened coconut, which is shredded coconut in already. We're going to pour it on top and then mix it with a spatula until it's really well coated with that chocolate butter mixture. But once it's coated, I am going to transfer about 3/4 of this into a deep 9-inch tart tin with a removable bottom. And I'm going to use the back of a spoon to press it firmly around the sides of the tart tin and then add the remaining mixture in there and press it all around the bottom nice and evenly. Once you've done that, pop it onto a baking tray and then you're going to bake this for about 15 minutes. Once it's baked, and the reason why we bake it is to kind of crisp it up and harden it up a little bit, we're going to let it cool down completely. And while it is cooling, we're going to move on to our cheesecake mixture. The cheesecake mixture is really easy. And what I love about this recipe is that we're using lots and lots of fresh limes. So that way, you know, you're getting that really authentic, delicious tart lime flavor. So with the limes, we are going to start off by actually squeezing them and rolling them on our bench. And what this does, it makes them really easy to juice and like really squishy. So once you've done that, you can feel they're really squishy and they're ready to juice. So I'm going to be using one of my normal juicers. I've just sliced them all in half. I'm going to juice them. I'm going to be juicing 6 limes. We're going to set that lime juice aside and we're going to move on to making the mixture. So the base of this mixture is made using cream cheese. Add 2 room temperature cream cheese blocks into your large mixing bowl along with that lime juice, and we're going to mix on low speed at first. Once you can see the mixture is coming together, whip it up to medium-high speed and mix until it's nice and smooth. Now guys, it's really important to make sure that your cream cheese is softened at room temperature. If it's cold where you are, pop it in the microwave for 30 to 40 seconds. Get it nice and soft. If you try mixing this with the lime juice straight out of the fridge, you're going to end up with a really lumpy mixture. So make sure that your cream cheese is nice and soft when you start. Once you've got it nice and soft, we are going to add some sweetened condensed milk in there, some vanilla extract for good measure. I never measure that, by the way, because I love vanilla extract. I just pour it in according to how I feel that day. And we are going to mix this until it's really well combined. We're actually going to be coloring this, or I wanted to color it because I wanted that nice bright green color. And this part is completely optional. You don't have to color it. If you don't color it though, it's going to come out looking white, which is completely fine. It's up to you. I just wanted that nice pop of color. Well, once everything is really well combined, we are going to transfer this into our cooled down coconut and chocolate pie tart. And we're gonna let this sit in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours to set before we're ready to finish it. So now that it's finished, we are going to slice some limes, and I'm just going to finish it off by adding those lime slices on top as a decoration. Now, if you want to take this a step further, you could put some swirls of cream on top. That would look really nice, but I wanted to keep it simple today. And look how beautiful that texture is, guys. It's nice and airy and light and tart, and it's beautiful and perfect for warmer days. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe video. If you want to grab the recipe and make this for yourself, the link is down below. Follow that, it'll take you to the recipe. And if you do make it, tag me on social media at the Scran Line. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line. Bye.